Paano mag-renew ng driver's license? Meron tayong tatlong kailangan para mag-renew ng driver's license. First is original driver's license. Dalhin nyo yun. And then pangalawa is yung medical certificate. And yung pangatlo is yung CDE or Comprehensive Driver's Certificate. So madali lang yan. Alright, search mo lang LTMS. So, yan. Search mo lang yung LTMS. And then, click mo. Okay, once you click it, so it will pop up yung LTMS online portal. So, yan uli ang i-click mo. So, i-click mo siya. Once you click it, yan, it will route you to that page. So, LTMS portal. So, kung wala ka pang account, hindi ka pa nakapag-register, so, you have to choose register now. Yan. Click mo lang yan. Pero kung may account ka na, you can log in directly. Pero kung wala, first time mo, then click register now. So, yun lang yung gagawin mo. Click the register now. Okay, so once you click it, dito ka naman ma-route sa terms of agreement. So, scroll down mo lang. Scroll down all the way. Okay, and then until you find this, do you accept the terms of agreement? Just click yes. Click on the box. Yes, I accept it. I accept. And then, type mo lang yung code na yan. Copy mo lang yan siya. 4B. Yan. So, type mo lang siya. 4B. That's PU 1. So, that's 1. Sometimes confusing. It's L or 1. Yeah, 1. And then, after that, after mo makopy yan, proceed next. Click next. Once you click next, click it. And then it will route you to that page na naman. So, enroll. So, you have to choose yung enroll as an individual. Yan ang pipiliin mo. Hindi enroll as an organization. No. Enroll as an individual. Yan ang ipipiliin mo. Click that. Alright. So, pag-click mo yan, ito naman ang ma-route ka naman dito sa page na to. So, question is, do you have a Philippine driver's or conductor's license? So, yes. So, you have to choose yes. Click yes. And then, after that, merong mag-pop up na complete all applicable fields. So, you have to type in your driver's license number. Meron yan sa lisensya nyo. Type mo lang yan dyan. And then, yung serial number, nasa likod ng driver's license mo, at the back of your card, meron nakalagay doon, serial number. Copy mo lang, and then type in mo yung numbers here to that box, so serial number. And then, yung expiry date ng driver's license mo, you just have to choose kung ano yung expiry date ng, like for example, yan, May, ako May. So, I have to choose May. Ayan. And then, year. Just have to click drop down. And then choose, what 19 you are. Okay. Ayan. Example. Ayan. And then, oops. Saglit. Kunyari, say example 19 at kunyari what ano ba talaga 2023. Yeah, so expiry date is 2023 May, and then yes, have to click choose the date 31. Okay, yan. And then after that, once you filled out everything, you just have to proceed to next. Click next. Okay. After clicking next, yeah. So after clicking next, so ma-route ka na naman sa isang page na nagsasabi na you have successfully created your account, and it says na we have sent you an email to verify your account. So all you need to do, check your email, yung email address na ginamit mo pag-register mo dyan sa portal na yan. So, ma-receive mo yung email from LTO is from Public Portal Email Verification. So, all you need to do is you just have to copy the https://portal.lto.gov. So, i-copy mo lang yung buong link na yan. Just open new tab, okay, to open that link. And then, meron mag-ano ka dyan, itatype mo yung, I think magki-create ka ng password mo dyan. And then, after creating a password, next mo lang. So, and then after that, yun na yung magpa-pop up yung picture na yan, yung LTMS portal. May nakalagay sa taas, your account has been verified and confirmed. So, automatic, paglabas ng LTMS portal na yan, yung picture na yan na nakikita nyo, meron na yan kaagad na numbers. So, yung numbers na yan, yung nasa first bar, that's your user ID. So, wag ka muna mag-type ng kung ano-ano kasi baka mahaluan siya ng any words. Hindi nyo mapansin na yan na yung user ID nyo, yung numbers na nasa taas. And then, of course, yung password mo. Once you have that, all you need to do is just to sign in. Pag sign in mo, yan na yung page na makikita mo. So, you have to click the e-learning dyan sa taas. Yan. And then, pag click mo, just choose CDE Online Validation Exam. So, yan lang yung i-click mo. And then, after that, it will pop up this one. At least the passing score to create a certificate is 80%, or at least you can have a 20 correct answers out of 25 questions. So anyway, there is no time limit. So no need to worry, no need to rush. Hindi kailangan magmadali or mag-worry na baka hindi ko matapos yung exam na to kasi wala nang oras, ang tagal ko. So you don't need to worry about that kasi there is no time limit. So kahit ilang minuto ka dyan nakatitig sa questions na nandyan, so to think the answer, so hindi mo kailangan mag-worry. So if you're ready, then click start exam. You just have to choose kung anong language ang prefer mo. It's either English or Filipino. So, alin mas okay sa'yo. So, click English, mine. And then, after that, pag natapos niyo yung exam nyo, kung nakapasa kayo for the 25 questions, so, ito na yung mag-pop up sa inyo. Congratulations, you have passed the CDE Online Validation Exam. So, yun. So, para makita mo yung certificate, yung buong certificate, you just have to click the print certificate. Yung blue na yan, yung sa baba, click mo lang yan para makita mo yung buong certificate, which yan, ito siya, yun ang i-download mo or screenshot mo siya or send it through your email or to your WhatsApp para gamitin mo yan para ipa-print mo somewhere. Sa mga computer shop na nag-accept ng scan or photocopy or copy, whatever. So yun, doon mo siya ipa-print out. And then, kasi yun yung dadalhin mo sa LTO. That's one of the requirements when you go to the LTO office. So, yun. Pero kung may printer ka naman sa bahay, why not? You can print it out sa bahay nyo. Pero ako kasi wala akong printer. Ayun, but take note, kahit na nag-take ka na ng exam, meron ka na niyang certificate na yan, magte-take ka pa rin ng exam doon mismo sa LTO office. Randomly. So, ma-surprise ka na lang doon. Baka kampante ka na, meron na akong certificate, tapos na ako ng exam. So, hindi. Pagdating doon, meron mga LTO offices, mga officer doon na magti-take ka doon mismo sa office nila, sa loob ng office nila, may computer doon. So at least advantage doon since you have created an account already, so you have your logins already, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-wait pa para sila ang gagawa ng account for you because you have created your own account already. So all you need to do is just to log in yung sinabi ko, yung user ID mo, yung mga numbers, puro numbers lang ang user ID. Make sure that you have saved that, and then of course you know your password already, so you just have to log in your account there pagdating doon sa kung saan kayo mag-i-exam sa loob ng LTO. So madali na lang para sa you. So just make sure na yung mga yung tinake mong exam is alam mo yung talaga yung mga sinagot mo doon. Kasi para pagdating doon sa office, madali na lang sa'yo. Kasi syempre na-experience mo na, alam mo na yung mga sagot doon, isasagot. Pero there are maybe 6 or 7 questions na wala doon sa kung ano yung tinake mo na exam. So it's bago. So doon ka ngayon matatagalan kasi mag-iisip ka kung anong isasagot mo doon. Kasi wala doon sa tinake mong exam dito sa kung saan ka nakapasa, kung saan ako nagkaroon ng certificate. So iba din yung meron silang ibang questions doon. So yun lang, just giving you a heads up. Ang medical fee for driver's license is 550, but it varies. It depende siya sa anong clinic. There are sometimes na may mga clinic na their fee is 600 pesos, so it varies, hindi siya permanente. So we do have our fees and penalties. For driver's license renewal, that's 585 pesos. Kung expired siya, so yan yung mga fees dyan, 1 day to 1 year, yun. Ayan, after ko nag-take ng exam, doon sa loob nakapasa na ako, then nag-proceed na ako for the payment, so window for payment. So I just have to wait my turn to pay for the renewal of my driver's license. So ganyan. And then after that, pagkatapos sa payment, wait mo na lang din yung turn mo to for the picture and then signature. Anyway, may mga tao naman doon, staff, to assist you kung anong dapat gawin. So finally, I got my newly renewed driver's license, which I have a 10-year validity of my driver's license, new driver's license, because wala akong mga violations. So pag wala kang violation na commit, then you will have a 10-year validity of your driver's license. Pero kung meron, then you can have 5 years validity only by the time of renewal kung meron kang violation na commit. So yun lang. And then syempre nakalabas na ako din, lumabas na din naman ako. So since it's time for me naman to unwind, maglakad-lakad, since nakalabas ako sa kulungan ko, so nagpagupit muna ako ng hair. I just had my hair done para kasi sobrang haba na ng buhok ko. I don't like mahaba ang hair ko. Gusto ko lang yung the usual length of my hair. So yan, dyan ako nagpagupit kasi wala masyadong tao. Ayoko sobrang daming tao kasi nahilo ako, masakit yung ulo ko, and I don't want to wait that long. Meron naman ding David Salon, pero marami kasing tao sa David Salon, so sometimes you just have to wait for your turn bago ka i-cater. So yan. And then of course nagutom na ako, so yan, kumain muna ako ng walang ibang makainan. So kumain muna ako ng KFC para lang, syempre kasi medyo nahihilo na ako gutom na ako. So kumain lang muna ako ng just simple ginger steak chicken. So yan, before heading home. And finally, I'm home. Nakauwi na rin ako after a tiring day. Actually, I logged out, or I out early para lang to relax and to sleep early kasi nga magpa-process ako ng driver's license ko the following day. So yan. And at night time, yan na yung bago kong baby. Yan, bago kong tiyanak. Napakasungit, niyan, napaka-maldito niyan, sobra. Natutulog sa gustong-gusto niya na pag ginaganyan ko kasi natutulog siya, para siyang napipress. Ayan, baby pa kasi yan eh. She's only like 2 months old, I think. Ganon. Ayan, pag ginaganyan ko siya, gustong-gusto niya, natutulog siya. So, I'm about to, go duty by this time. Ayan, nagkuha-kuha muna ako ng video, just to prolong this video. Ayan. Anyway, I had a long and tiring day today. Ayan. So, relax muna. Yan lang. This is my new Knur bird. Ayan, sobrang kulit niyan. So, pero pag tulog, ang cute tignan, no? Ayan. Yan siya. Ayan. My baby. My love. My Coco. Palambing-lambing na naman. Pahimas-himas sa ulo niya. Ganon. Ayan siya. Ayan. Okay, well, anyway, I hope that, you have learned something from my video. At least that you have an idea paano mag-renew ng driver's license ngayon, 2024. Because before, it's madali lang. So, bye for now, everybody. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you have learned something new. At least at giving you a heads up of how to renew our driver's license now. Okay, thank you. Bye.